Who am I?
There's literally no space.
There's no space. After 4 months, like this is a flex, by the way, but this is the situation. So this is passports in the last like 8 months. If Morocco finds out I worked with SRK, like that's it. They probably might just make me the queen of Morocco. You know, I need to make it happen. But having said that, we need to give Raki Sawan her flowers. We need to give her flowers, okay? Because she is that girl. She is the GOAT, and she's a Big Boss is the most difficult show, whether it's here or Big Brother abroad. It's not an easy show. Like I lost my mind on that show myself. You know what I mean?
ठीक है, बहुत सारे आपके फैंस के सवाल है. आपके जो सॉन्ग है जस्ट अ गर्ल, उस पर भी बहुत सारे कमेंट्स आए.
Okay.
पहला है कि हाय नोरा, मनीष हियर. ऐसे कौन से बॉलीवुड एक्टर के साथ आपको कोलैब करना है? एक्टर पूछ रहे हो.
एक्टर मतलब फिल्म में और
हाँ,
गाना?
आई थिंक सो. फिल्म उन्होंने स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया.
Bro, I really want to work with SRK, man. Like, someone make it happen, please.
प्लीज ये शेयर कर दो.
I want to work with SRK. Something, I just want to do something, even if it's like a supporting role in his film plus a song. Like, I don't even care at this point, you know. I just want to, like, I need to do it for Morocco. If Morocco finds out I worked with SRK, like that's it. They probably might just make me the queen of Morocco. You know, I need to make it happen. I don't know if it's in the cards, but like.
Okay, I'm just manifesting it. This will happen soon.
Yes.
Next है कि Just a Girl song का आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था? You have spoken about it, but short में इसको करते हैं कि one thing that changed for you forever after this song. Short में आप बता सकते हो.
My confidence in myself as a vocalist. Like, I wasn't so confident as a singer, but now I'm starting to get more and more confident. Yeah.
ठीक है. Next है आपने हनी सिंह के साथ काम किया है. ऐसी कोई चीज़ about हनी सिंह जो किसी को नहीं पता. One interesting fact about him.
He's such a nice guy. He's such a good soul, yeah. He's such a good soul, and I feel like with the whole hip hop and like that vibe, you know, which is like normal, it's on brand, you know, to be the way that these boys are. But behind that, like he's such a good soul.
कोई unknown fact है जो fans को पता होना चाहिए उनके बारे में? Anything you've experienced?
He's just such a giver. He's so generous. He's so generous, and he's so loving with his people. You know, and I think that's something we should give him more credit for.
ठीक है, fans बहुत खुश होने वाले हैं. ओके, हम वो एरा मिस कर रहे हैं जब जॉन की फिल्म मतलब आपको डेफिनेटली होंगे. यू हैव सीन दीस मीम्स ऑन.
आई हैव सीन देम, दे आर सो फनी.
तो वो एरा मिस कर रहे हैं और कब और 4 क्वेश्चन मार्क है.
I don't know. I think like we have to elevate. So now instead of me dancing, he's walking into the song and then leaves. I think we need to do a film together. It's about time.
Yeah. Again manifesting this.
I mean, whatever. Yeah.
Okay, good one. Next है, आप भी बिग बॉस में थे, क्या आप ये वाला सीजन देख रहे हो? किसको सपोर्ट कर रहे हो?
Listen, I don't watch Big Boss. I'm not gonna lie, okay? And when I went on Big Boss, I went as a wild card because I really needed a platform. And I love the fact that Big Boss gave me that platform. And I'll never forget it. I just never watched it after that because I have trauma from that show, okay? But having said that, we need to give Raki Sawan her flowers. We need to give her flowers, okay? Because she is that girl. She is the GOAT, and she's a baddie. And she knows what she's doing, and she's an entertainer. I don't think we give her that much credit, but she's an entertainer. And when she goes on that show, I may not watch it, but when I see the clips on social media, I'm like, yeah, she knows what she's doing. She knows what she's doing. It's so hard to be able to be the captain of that ship.
Yeah.
Big Boss is the most difficult show, whether it's here or Big Brother abroad. It's not an easy show. Like, I lost my mind on that show myself. You know what I mean? But the way she navigates that show, the way she catches the attention of the audience, her one-liners, her comedy, her commentary, everything. She's such an icon that she's someone who I can relate the song to.
Yeah.
Just a Girl, What Do I Know?
Actually, yeah.
Yeah, because they will miss her when she goes. Let me tell you that. So we should give her flowers now.
एक बार जोरदार ताली हो जाए राखी सावंत के लिए. Very well said. Okay, last few comments. ठीक है. Okay, ये interesting है. आपके पास कितने पासपोर्ट है? Tips to apply for visa. ये सब. जो आपके लिए सवाल आया नोरा.
My biggest stress is my passport. Can I see my bag for a second? Yeah, let me show you. The biggest stress. First of all, I'm a Canadian, so I have a Canadian passport, so I don't really require visas except for coming to India. Modi, hello.
Exclusive, guys. First
Come
time
on,
ever.
Modi ji. Like, give me the citizenship.
For the first time ever.
Every year I have to apply for my visa in India, right? But everywhere else, I don't require a
ठीक
visa.
है
So here's the thing.
So, एक मैं काउंट कर रहा 1 2
In the last 8 months, this is just 8 months. Okay. Basically, which the Canadian government does not understand, right? So they give me this passport, right? And it's like, what is this? 5 pages? Why? What is this? So when I argue with them, I'm like, you got to give me more pages. They're like, no, this will be fine. You'll be good till 2030, right? Because that's the expiry date. So 2030 will expire, then I'll come and renew it, right? So that's fine. Then after 4 or 5 months, they see me back in the office because I have to renew it because, like, what? Hello? Like, what is this? Who am I?
there's literally no space.
There's no space. After 4 months, like, this is a flex, by the way. But this is the situation. So this is passports in the last, like, 8 months.
I have to say मैंने अभी यहाँ से क्लोजअप देखा एक कॉर्नर पे एक स्टैम्प मारा है हाफ
Listen, I always argue with the immigration. They piss me off so much. Like, for example, like, just look. So
लिटरली कॉर्नर पे स्टैम्प है
corner पे एक से ऊपर, like one on the other. Look, so many times where I'm like struggling and I know I have 1 page left, right? And I'm traveling and I know in my mind, like, next week I gotta go to America, then I gotta go to Dubai, then I gotta go to India, and then I go, okay, so I plan. I go to the immigration officer. I said, boss, Sun, you see this page? Don't stop in the middle of it. Don't let this page be.
Oh shit.
Because they have an obsession of leaving every corner. Because look, you can stamp here easy. There's a corner right there. They'll leave everything. They'll find the empty page, which I need, right? And then they'll go and stamp right in the middle of it.
Oh shit.
So I have arguments with them all the time. They think it's so funny.
I hope this reaches them और कुछ change हो
Nothing will change, yeah. This is my life. ये मेरी जिंदगी है.